Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code with GitLab. First, install Claude Code using the CLI. Open your terminal and run the install command. Then, verify it by typing Claude -- version to make sure everything is working correctly. Next, log into your Claude by running the command Claude login and completing the sign-in process. Now, clone your GitLab repository. Use Git to download your project by running the clone command with your repository link. After that, move into the project folder using the change directory command. At this point, you are working inside your GitLab project. Next, open the project folder in Visual Studio Code or keep using the terminal. Make sure Claude is running inside the directory so it can access your project files properly. Now, start Claude by typing Claude. This opens the interactive mode where you can work directly with your repository. Here, you can use prompts like explain this project structure, fix bugs in this file, and an authentication system using Node.js or write unit tests for this module. Claude will read your GitLab repo files locally and generate helpful responses. After that, once Claude helps you make changes, you can commit them back to GitLab. Add your changes, write a commit message like updated code using Claude, and then push your code to the main branch so it updates your repository online. Next, for advanced usage, you can integrate Claude into CI or CD pipelines. Open your GitLab CI configuration file and add a stage where Claude runs automatically. For example, you can set it to install Claude and run a prompt like review this code and suggest improvements. Finally, this setup allows automatic code reviews and AI suggestions directly inside your pipeline, making your development process faster and more efficient. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.